One thing about the AI iteration is that if I slow this down for a second, okay, so here's the AI going up, and you see the pathfinding agent starting from the bottom part of the platform, the lower platform. So we're iterating twice for something that needs to be done just once. I'm going to go into Restart AI, the script. First, let me attach to Unity because I want to set up some breakpoints where the AI restarts. Initialize AI. So 1, 2, 3, 4 points where the AI can possibly restart. I'm going to play. Okay, here you'll see that the AI restarts before it's fully up on the second platform. And before it's fully up on the second platform, the AI is somewhere here, which will make the pathfinding agent start down here. That's because if we look at the nav mesh area, the pathfinding agent is not going to get spawned in midair. It's going to get spawned to the closest area that is baked. So I'm going to go back to the code. And we want to set up some conditions. Full AI is on ground. And we want to look at the character control. Look at a couple variables. So if we look at the rigid body, and gravity is turned on. And we also want to look at the animator. Get bull. And we get the grounded parameter. Basically, we're checking whether the AI is grounded or not. And if the AI is grounded, return true, otherwise return false. Okay, and I'm going to put this on the first thing on the update. If AI is grounded, or if it's not grounded, we're not going to do anything. We're not going to restart the AI. Save and attach to Unity. Make sure all the breakpoints are there. Okay, and I'm going to play again. Okay, looks like we need to add one more condition. Let me stop playing again because I want to look at the state. The state for ledge climbing. Ledge grab, ledge climb, and move up, for example. I'm going to go back to the code. And let me add one more condition. We want to look at the animation progress, check whether it's running move up or not. And if it is running, or if the state has move up, return false. Again, save, and I'm going to play. Okay, AI jumps. Okay, pathfinding agent starts where the AI is. Okay, looks good. Okay, I think it's working fine now. And Sophie dies.